How do we make the contents of a cell fit into a single cell? In other words, how do we wrap the text or content of a cell? There are several ways to do it. I will also share with you some troubleshooting if you can't see the whole text in a cell after wrapping it. Let's look at this cell containing the text Household Budget 2019 Sample. See how it overflows into the next cell? It might not bother us too much as the cell next to it is empty. But let's say that we want to fit the text into one cell. Here's how we do it. Click on the cell, then go up here and look for the button that says Wrap. When you click on it, you will see that the content has been neatly wrapped or folded to fit into that one cell. Let's undo this. Another way to do this is to click on the cell. Right-click with your mouse, go to Format Cell, select the tab Alignment and pick Wrap. Then click OK. I will show you another way to make the content fit by using the function Shrink to Fit. Are you enjoying this video so far? If you do, you might want to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Also hit the notification button because YouTube will only notify you of my new videos if you click it. To fit the whole text into a single line within a cell, right-click on the cell, go to the tab Alignment, deselect Wrap, then click Shrink to Fit and hit OK. You will see that what Excel has done is to shrink the font size to make the whole text fit into one line. Sometimes people encounter a problem where after wrapping they still don't see the whole text, and I will demonstrate this to you. Let's add more text to this now. See how I edited the cell without using my mouse? What I did was using arrows on my keyboard and a shortcut. If you want to know how this is done, click on the link to my other video above. It will open a new tab in the browser, so don't worry, it will not interfere with this video. Let's continue. The reason why you can't see the whole text is because the cell size is too small. There are different ways to go about it. First, you can increase the height of the row, like this. Or you can increase the width of the column, like this. If you want to know how to do this, you can click on the link to my other video above here. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next video.